Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Just once it happened with me, and my mother was with me at the meeting, and it was very clearly told to me that you'll have to sleep with the hero. Yeah, we fight, but touch wood, 2 साल से तो हमारा झगड़ा नहीं हुआ है. I think lockdown has taught us कि we have to be together. At that time, I was not also very comfortable wearing a bikini or showing off a lot of skin and all of that. ये सब थोड़ा moderation हुआ है, modulation हुआ है after marriage कि थोड़ा सा freedom मिला है तो उसका फायदा उठाया जाता है. Yeah, initially होता था ये कि आप अगर टीवी करते थे तो आपको फिल्मों में रोल्स नहीं मिलते थे, एंड दे वुड से के ओवर एक्सपोज है यार, रोल दिखती है, नहीं ऐसे नहीं, किसी और को लेते हैं. अभी भी ऐसा होता है जब ऑडिशन आप करना चाहो एंड दे से कि नहीं पता नहीं अभी आप टीवी करते हो ना तो अभी पता नहीं आपको लेंगे नहीं. सी आई माय मॉम यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल मी बिकॉज आई वाज नेवर रेडी फॉर अ बेबी. ओके, सो शी समवेयर प्रॉब्ली न्यू के नहीं होगा ये, जब तक ये 42-43 की नहीं हो जाती शायद ये तो नहीं करेगी बेबी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Kishore Merchant, thank you so much for joining me on Telestars Talk. First things first.
Thank you.
Many congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, yeah. Thank you.
New baby, for the baby coming up.
Yeah, thank you so much. Feels lovely and amazing and nervous and overwhelming and everything at the same time. It's like a lot of mixed emotions right now.
Kishore, take us through the entire period when you first learned that you have conceived.
Well, when I got to know, it was a surprise for us also because हमें नहीं पता था कि because it was not planned. So frankly, we also didn't know. It was just so weird that कुछ 1 महीने से मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी and not really तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, but I was just very low at energy and all of that, and समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या exactly हो रहा है. So finally I told Suyash, I said, I think there's some gadbad and we should probably do the test. And he's like, are you sure? I said, yeah, let's just do it once. थोड़ा कुछ पता चल जाए तो at least we'll be clear कि है नहीं है जो. And जैसे हमने वो pregnant वाला टेस्ट किया तो वो positive आ गया. And we were like, okay. Obviously the first reaction was like, what, we are parents, we're going to be parents soon and this that, but obviously after that it took a while to sink in, and once it did we were absolutely fine. Yeah, we were like totally aisa laga overnight, we were like mentally prepared that we were probably planning it aisa laga for so long, and it's finally happened. So yeah, it's that's how it just happened. Yeah.
Okay, and how has the period been? Because I read that you have mood swings, you have developed thyroid.
Yeah. So thyroid was the first thing that came out of my pregnancy. My first visit to the doctor was she telling me that thyroid hai. And mood swings also started, and then my mom got hospitalized and she was in the hospital for 23 days. Fighting COVID. So, there was so many things happening at the same time, and it was like all very overwhelming. मतलब एक तरफ मुझे good news मिली and दूसरी तरफ my mom has been hospitalized and all of that. So yeah, it was just very, the initial phase was a little bad, but because I think Suyash has been such a good support and such a strong help for everything that's happening, that he just made it very easy, and he's just been there like a rock solid support for me, and yeah, things just became better. And then he got COVID, and then my dad got COVID, and obviously we all have to be, I have to especially be very very careful because I'm pregnant and all of that, and जबकि घर में ही हो रहा है तो obviously उनका तो quarantine से सब ठीक हो गया, बट यही है कि मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकती हूँ, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती हूँ. कोई घर पर आता भी है, मतलब इवन लाइक अ guy, like a plumber also comes at home, I have to like, you know, wear a mask and
Do you think, moving to your career, Kishore, and we'll come back to the baby, of course, very soon again. Do you think in
Yeah.
these 23 years, you started in 97, you could have done a lot more?
no, not really, yeah, because I have done so much. I have literally done every character possible, you know, from playing a doctor to a lawyer to a drug addict to a vampire to a Brahma Rakshas to like doing negative characters to doing positive characters to doing comedy. I've done it all. So I really don't think that, you know, or मतलब कुछ बचा था. Yeah, I wanted to play a lesbian, which didn't happen. But yeah, besides that, I think I'm very happy with the way my career has shaped up and with the way everything went.
Okay, that playing a lesbian is very challenging, you feel?
It is, yeah. It is. I think it is challenging. Also because it's something, you know, that probably our society has dressed. So, you know, पहले तो नहीं होते थे ये वाले roles. So जब society ने accept किया तो तब to get it was not possible. मतलब हुआ नहीं. And अभी भी मतलब ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो नहीं है. So, you know, maybe at a later stage, if it happens, it happens.
So what's the plan, Kishore? Going back to the baby, after you deliver, how long you're going to keep yourself away from work? Have you set a timeline?
Well, the plan is at least a year of, you know, not doing anything. As in I'm not like committing to not doing anything. If I get something good and if I am in a good shape and, you know, if there is help at home, जो कि है, help तो काफी है at home, you know, to look after my baby. तो अगर ऐसा सब होता है and if it's a very good role and if it's something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, so then I would obviously consider it. But besides that, अगर ऐसा regular काम आ रहा है and, you know, something that is not so exciting, I think I will kind of stay away from it for some time.
Courtship of 6 years before marriage. Tell me, how has married life been? Have you had your ups and downs? Do you all fight? Do you all argue heatedly?
Yeah, we fight. But touch wood, 2 साल से तो हमारा झगड़ा नहीं हुआ है. I think lockdown has taught us कि we have to be together. And we are there for each other and only we are there for each other. So, you know, it's taught us to completely be totally by each other's side and to not get into silly arguments and petty fights. So, yeah, and also right from the beginning, we've kind of given each other that space where, you know, he does his own thing. Even if the whole day we are together, there is a time, you know, when he's sitting in his studio, which is in the house only. So he sits in his studio, maybe sings or does his music ka kaam or whatever for like, you know, 2 hours, 3 hours. And I'm in my room watching TV, reading a book, doing something, maybe FaceTiming a friend or whatever. So we've always given each other that space. So we're not like itna clingy ke, you know, we kind of get fed up of each other. So we've always considered that. So I guess that is also something that makes us, you know, not fight so much. And yeah, we've had ups and downs and, you know, but obviously the most important is, you know, the relationship and we want to make it work. So we've been together for 10 years now.
You said you have done sufficient amount of work in TV.
Yeah.
Tell me, what about movies? So when I read about your filmography, I just find you in Bheja Fry 2.
Yeah.
Okay, just one.
Bheja Fry 2 and there is one Hum Tum Aur Shabana, जो same लोगों का ही था, producer and director I think same ही थे. तो उनका मैंने किया था.
But you mentioned also in that, I think.
Yeah. So there it was nothing. So that's why I kind of moved away.
Those who have not seen it will never know. Now that you're talking about it.
Yeah, totally. So that's why I kind of you know, refrained again and came back to television only because I realized that टीवी में भले ही आप इतना भी रोल करो ना, यू विल गेट नोटिस्ड, यू विल बी रिकग्नाइज्ड. अर्लियर फिल्म्स में ऐसा नहीं होता था. नाउ probably if you do a small role in a film which is a meaty role, even if you have like just one role where you know it's your scene, and where you know you have like a performance oriented scene, so maybe you know people will click you know to your performance and they'll probably click with your character, but otherwise नहीं यार, फिल्मों में ऐसे वाले कैरेक्टर्स करके कोई फायदा नहीं है, because if you're doing a lead negative in a TV show, then you might as well stick to that only than doing you know a small role in a film.
Have you really tried hard, say at least in your earlier days, to become a heroine?
No, not really.
Bollywood?
I haven't really. I used to go for meetings and stuff, but it never really worked, and it never really bothered me also, because that was not something that I was looking at. Because I always probably somewhere knew that you know I didn't have like a Bollywood face. I was not very good at you know dancing and stuff like that. So I knew my limitations as well. And at that time I was not also very comfortable wearing a bikini or you know showing off a lot of skin and all of that. ये सब थोड़ा moderation हुआ है, वो modulation हुआ है after marriage, कि थोड़ा सा freedom मिला है तो you know उसका फायदा उठाया जाता है. But before that I was never like that. So वो सब कभी interest था ही नहीं. So that's why I think TV was like the best option for me, and that's what I chose. And it was easy work, you know, clean work, 9 to 9, जाओ काम करो वापस आओ, and that was it. So, and the roles then also started exciting me a lot. So I guess I just stuck to that.
Did you face the problem of casting couch when you?
I did when I used to go for movies auditions and meetings earlier. Just once it happened with me, and my mother was with me at the meeting, and it was very clearly told to me that you know you'll have to sleep with the hero, and we just politely put down the offer and we left the office. I would not want to name the hero or the producer, but yeah, it happened with me once. But that's about it. So in a span of 22 years of my career, it happened only once with me. So I would not want to say कि होता है and it's a normal thing, you know, because after that कभी नहीं हुआ ऐसा, मतलब ऐसा incident कभी life में नहीं हुआ. So I would not want, and I think film industry बदनाम है because of this, but I think हर industry में ये चीज होती है, you know. So people who are comfortable, they finally get together or whatever, but if they are not, then you know, whatever. So I think it's something that happens.
I don't think you're going to name the producer and the hero, but were the producer and the hero very big?
Yes, very big. They were very big.
Okay. But in TV, it didn't happen anytime.
Never. That was the only time actually, that one incident, that's it.
Did that also take you a little away from the thought of, you know, trying more in Bollywood?
No, not really, because see, I always knew that I wanted to probably become an actor and do clean work. So, you know, if your aim and your focus is at doing clean work, then I don't think anybody can stop you, or anybody can force you to do anything that you don't want to do. So that's what kept me going, and I finally got what I wanted, and I did a lot of work, and it was all very clean work, so it was perfect.
So recently I've been talking to many TV actresses, you know, and during the course of our chat, most of them have said that when we try for films or when we audition for films, filmmakers have a preconceived notion about us that we're already overexposed on the small screen. We are in your dressing room at 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. every day. What new are these girls going to bring on the table?
Yeah.
Do you subscribe to that?
Not really, because abhi to times have changed. Now a lot of actors who are doing TV have been doing films and have been doing a lot of good shows on web also. So I think it's completely changed, yeah. Completely changed the whole, you know, dynamics right now. कि TV actors सिर्फ TV कर सकते हैं और फिल्में नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा तो नहीं है. So yeah, initially होता था ये कि आप अगर टीवी करते थे तो आपको फिल्मों में रोल्स नहीं मिलते थे एंड यू नो दे वुड से कि ओवर एक्सपोज है यार, रोल दिखती है, नहीं 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 ऐसे नहीं, किसी और को लेते हैं. अभी भी ऐसा होता है जब ऑडिशन आप करना चाहो एंड यू नो दे से कि नहीं पता नहीं, अभी आप टीवी करते हो ना तो अभी पता नहीं आपको लेंगे या नहीं, बिकॉज दे वांट लाइक फ्रेश फेसेस एंड ऑल दैट. तो होता है, बट इट्स डेफिनेटली थोड़ा कम हो गया है ये होना, because now I think they've also realized the potential of a TV you know actor कि वो लोग सिर्फ typecast नहीं है, they can do different kind of roles. Like even for me, I was always typecast probably in doing negative roles, but finally, so when I went for an audition for Crime Patrol, I really wanted to do Crime Patrol because I used to love that show. And they called me for a cop, and they thought I will never be able to pull it off because you know they had always seen me in a backless blouse with a sari and looking very hot and sexy, and you know with the eyebrows upar and aankhein matkana and all that. So obviously they didn't think I would be able to do it. But when I did the audition, they were zapped that you know I could do. So only if you give us a chance is when you will realize that we have the potential to do more than what is expected out of us. You know. So, and after that I did Crime Patrol and I did so many stories, and you know one of my stories was like a very big hit also and stuff. So yeah, I mean all that. So at least now they're kind of being open to the fact that TV wale alag-alag cheezein kar sakte hain. They are versatile and they can you know experiment with their looks and their characters and all of that, which is a good thing for us.
Once again, going back to your baby, you said Kishwar that you know I'm blessed for conceiving naturally.
Yeah.
Makes me ask you that would you have otherwise gone for a scientific method at some point?
See, my mom used to always tell me because I was never ready for a baby. Okay, so she somewhere probably knew कि नहीं होगा ये, जब तक ये 42, 43 की नहीं हो जाती शायद ये तो नहीं करेगी baby and all of that. So she will always just tell me कि you know why don't you at least freeze your eggs? Why don't you at least freeze your eggs? And I used to be like, हाँ ठीक है कर लेंगे and वो करने में वो लॉकडाउन हो गया लास्ट ईयर, फिर वो लास्ट ईयर पूरा चला गया, फिर you know मतलब by the end of last year तो already conceive हो गया था, which I didn't even know. So you know even in Jan, in fact before I told her, a week before that she told me that you know let's freeze your eggs, अभी थोड़ा ऐसा है, अभी normal हो गया, we can go and we can do it and all that. And I said, yeah, let's talk about it. कर लेंगे. वही मैंने बोला और फिर एक हफ्ते में तो पता चल गया था कि I'm pregnant. So yeah, I mean, it was always there at the back of my mind कि I should do it, but I never really got it done because I always kept following it कि हाँ ठीक है हो जाएगा, हाँ ठीक है कर लेंगे, you know. So it never really happened.
Have you been following Bigg Boss after Bigg Boss your season?
Yeah. Some few seasons I did, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And let's talk about the 14th one, the last one. 14th, what do you think of it?
Last. Well, आजकल तो मुझे लगता है कि Bigg Boss काफी scripted हो गया है, frankly, because पहले तो ऐसे नहीं मतलब पता नहीं क्यों, but I just have a feeling that it just looks very scripted. Like everybody knows what they want to do and everybody knows exactly how to play the game and you know all of that. Which I think in our time we didn't know, because when I went for Bigg Boss, Suresh and I went and we had only decided that one thing, that we will be ourselves and that's it. There was no other game plan. There was no other plan that you know इसके साथ दोस्ती करेंगे या उसके साथ दोस्ती करेंगे and you know इसको manipulate करेंगे. There was nothing like that because we never even thought इतना आगे कि हम ये कर सकते हैं. But आजकल के contestants को देख के ऐसा लगता है पूरा कच्चा चिट्टा देख कर आते हैं and then they plan their whole journey, you know. So, and then obviously the whole thing of contestants coming out and going back in so easily, and even after hitting each other and even after doing all of that, still getting back into the show. So all that is now become very this यार कि मतलब rules regulations का कुछ है ही नहीं anymore, you know. So it just feels like कि ठीक है, मतलब just watch it to get entertained and that's it.
I spoke about 14 specifically because you know there was widespread condemnation of the show last year, largely because people said it's extremely boring. As you pointed out, people are just going in and coming out at their own will. Yeah. Only when Rakhi Sawant entered the show that people started praising.
Yeah, that is when the show started. Yeah. So I had not seen the 14th season at all till I went to Chandigarh, which was on the 15th of December. When I went to Chandigarh with my family, with Suyash and his sister and everybody. And because his sister used to watch it, she started watching it there as well. So that is when I also started watching the show. So I started watching it from December. I had not watched it. I don't even know मतलब अक्टूबर में स्टार्ट हुआ था या जब भी हुआ था मैंने 2 महीना शायद देखा भी नहीं था. उसके बाद मैंने देखना शुरू किया था. But yeah, I just felt that everybody like was like so comfortable, and everybody knew everything, and they just knew what they wanted and what they were doing, and like we were so confused. Even if you ask Yuvika was so confused as to what to do and how to behave in that house. So it was just that there was like, when you watch it also, you could feel like a drastic change of how people are and how people were.
So you walked out of Bigg Boss 9 saying that you are sacrificing it for your brother, Prince Narula.
Yeah.
Now, there were two opinions that time. One section of people said that, she is indeed doing because she has brotherly feelings for Narula. But the other section said that no, she's doing it because she knows that she won't win versus him.
No, I didn't do it because I knew that I would not win. I didn't do it because of that. Because I really, really thought that I would be one of the top 2 contestants for sure. And I just did it plainly out of emotions. I mean, I am a very emotional person. I just come across as a very arrogant and very bitchy type of a person to a lot of people, which I have stopped caring about and giving explanations to. But yeah, I am a very emotional person, and when I build a relationship, when I get friendly or know a person and like a person, I can do anything, and I can be like their 3 a.m. friend even without them knowing about it. So that is how I am as a person. And I guess with Prince it was the same, and he also considered me a sister, and even when we came out, we've always been in touch. Even now we are in touch. He comes home and all of that, and yeah, so he gifted me, in fact, my Shaadi Ka Joda, he was the one who gifted me that. So I mean, we built that relationship inside, and whatever happened inside was because of that relationship. It wasn't because of the money that I got extra, or that I thought that I would lose against him or whatever. In fact, the whole creative team was quite shocked when I came out, and they were like, "Why did you come out? Are you mad? Are you crazy?" And I'm like, "Dude, I had no choice. You all didn't give us a choice. So obviously one had to decide and leave." So yeah, I mean, it was all that. So ये जो speculation है कि मैं जीत नहीं पाई या नहीं मैं भागी, ऐसी bullshit, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं.
So Salman Khan condemned you for spitting in Rishabh's food. Do you regret doing that?
Yeah, he did. But I have nothing against him, because it's cool. I loved him in the show, and the last day, the way he met me and the love that he showed me, I think that was my victory and that was my win. So nothing against Salman sir at all. I definitely regret doing that, but I also want to today say that a lot of other contestants did it too, but उनका नाम नहीं आया. So when I hear ना कि yeah, a lot of other contestants.
That was not shown.
That was not shown. So there were things that I only realized once I came out of the house, and I also realized it that Saturday when Salman said so much to me. For spitting in the food and for spitting in the water or juice or whatever. So that Saturday is when I realized that ये लोग बाहर मेरी एक image बना के दिखा रहे हैं जो अब मैं नहीं होने दूंगी. And I actually, after the whole Salman episode, after we shot the episode, I met Suyash and Prince in the bathroom, and I told him, I said, now just see how we change it, how I change it. And I left, and that was it, because they say that every time Salman says anything on Saturday, you have to kind of understand. He will just indirectly hint you and give you like hints and stuff, and you have to understand. If you do, then great. If you don't, then you're bad. So I guess I just kind of understood what they were trying to do, because अगर मैं घर में हूँ और मेरे सामने 7 लोगों ने या 6 लोगों ने किया है और सिर्फ मेरा नाम आया है, तो obviously I know the truth, right? I know what exactly has happened inside the house. So you cannot just tell me कि सिर्फ मैंने किया है and get away with it. That is not something that can happen. So even now I get so many messages saying that you did that and you don't talk like this and you don't give us gyan. And I'm like, you know what, guys? You can say whatever you all want, because I know the truth and I know what kind of a person I am. And I know exactly what happened inside the house. Nobody else knows, because the editing is so good that y'all just saw what y'all were shown. Y'all were not, shown the whole truth. So that is the thing. But ठीक है, वो एक गलती थी जिसके लिए मैंने ऋषभ से भी माफी मांग ली है. And we are fine. We are absolutely okay with each other. And we talk and we are just buddies. Like we always used to be. So I don't think लोग अगर कुछ बोलते हैं या कुछ कहते हैं तो उससे मुझे फर्क भी पड़ता है. It's fine.
Okay. If you bump into Rashmi Sharma, will you work with her again if she offers you another role after that huge confrontation?
I have no problem with Rashmi Sharma.
After you had the confrontation with her, no, in Savitri Devi College and Hospital. The show.
Oh, you mean not the actress Rashmi? Oh, you mean the producer Rashmi Sharma? Oh no, never. I would not want to work with her ever. However big she is or whatever she is, I would not want to work with her ever.
You're a woman of strong opinions.
Yeah, totally. And if they've done something wrong, they've done something wrong. So because I know that मेरा पैर फ्रैक्चर हो गया था और मैं फ्रैक्चर्ड फुट के साथ भी with my mother I was still going to the set to shoot, and I slipped there once again because I was walking on crutches, and all of that करने के बाद if they spread rumors about me saying that she is throwing tantrums and that's why we want to replace her, then they are absolutely wrong, because they cannot do that to an actor. They cannot always portray that the actor is wrong and they are right. It cannot work like that. So that's why I told her that I want to leave the show and I don't want to be a part of such a production where actors की कोई इज्जत नहीं है. And अगर 9 to 9 आपको बोला गया है कि 9 to 9 ही शूट करना है तो आप 9 to 9 शूट करो ना यार, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? 12 घंटे दे रहे हैं ना, तो 9 to 9 शूट करो. You want to call us at 8 and you want to leave us at 10:30. So that's not how it's going to work. Maybe it's working with your other actors, but it's not going to work with Kishwar Merchant and it's not going to work with her. So, somebody had to put their foot down, and I guess I was the one who put my foot down, and I became the in their production, which is absolutely okay with me. It didn't bother me at all.
If you meet her in a party, let me be more specific. Will you go up and say hi?
I will not say hi to her. No, if I meet her at a party, I will not say hi to her, because I didn't even say hi to her when she used to come on the set. So party to bahut dur ki baat.
Why like that? Because you were upset about the timings, about the
right from day one. No, right from day one I was upset. So the first day that I went for the shoot, only 8 o'clock मुझे बुलाया गया. मैं पहला दिन था तो मैंने ये सोच के चलो, I said नहीं, पहला दिन है, let's be on time. I went at 8 o'clock all the way to Naigaon. And then my first shot came at 6:30 in the evening. So I did that first shot. Then they broke for Nashta. And then they are coming and giving me a 4-page scene to do. And I'm like, will this get over by 9 o'clock? And they were like, नहीं, हमारा तो 10:30 तक चलता है ना. I said, आप लोगों का चलता होगा, पर मैं तो 8 बजे से आई हूँ ना, तो मैं तो चली जाऊंगी 9 बजे. So then they were like all zapped के हैं. मतलब all the other actors are waiting here, like Mohan Kapoor is there, and all the senior actors are waiting, and how come she is saying that she wants to leave? But yeah, I want to leave because that is what I've signed up for, 12 hours. I'm still giving you 13 because I've come at 8 and I'm going at 9. So, and all the way from Naigaon, I'm going to come back, and then again the next morning you're going to call me at 8. So you might as well leave me on time, right? So I became the first day itself, and I got pissed off with them on the first day itself. So this whole thing of me doing that show for whatever those 4 months also didn't work, because anyways the character also was not going anywhere, and I was not really very happy with anything that was happening in the production. So
fine. So let me ask you, are you obstinate?
As in?
You're a woman of strong opinions. Are you obstinate? Can somebody make you change your mind?
Yeah, I mean, they can if they try really hard. If they convince me, then yeah, maybe. But if they fail to convince me, then no.
Thank you, Kishore. All I can say at this end
All
of the
right.
interview is that you have an identity of your own, and
Thank you.
you really love that, and you want
Yes,
to stick to that.
absolutely. Totally. Because why should I change for anybody? My close people know how I am and who I am, and they love me for that, and I love them for that. Because they've accepted me the way I am. So I don't think a random stranger can come and tell me that you are like this and you are like that and you should change. No, I will not. Till I don't feel that there is something wrong with me, I will not change. And there are times when I have done something wrong and I have also gone and said sorry. So it's not that I have itna arrogance कि मैं जाके sorry नहीं बोलती. मैं बोलती हूँ. If I feel I'm wrong, yes, I will say sorry. But you cannot unnecessarily argue with me saying that no, you are wrong.
So thank you,
Yes.
Kishore. Thank you so much for this
Thank you.
interview. It's been a pleasure.
Yes, thank you so much. Same here.